2, 3. Happy birthday to you, Grandpa Fred. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad, Grandpa Fred, Freddie Howard, Happy birthday to you. We love you. Love you. We can't believe you're 60. That means I'm 30.
Two girls that are one over 30, two over 30.
Oh, wait.
Oh, no.
Wait, all three, 30. You gotta see this. That's the belly. Baby bump. Baby bump.
That's Gabriella.
And here's the new one. We'll get it up closer. Say hi, Grandma Shelly. Hi, Grandpa Fred. Go say hi. Yay. And we have another surprise. We have another surprise, too. Come here, girls. Gabby, come here.
Oh, yeah. Go in there.
Look. This is the Rye Hill girls. These are Gabrielle's little girls. Madison and Jordan. And look, do you know this girl?
Hi, Fred.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, my God.
We love you. Say in the camera, Abigail. Tell Fred and Fred you love him.
Happy birthday.
You little weirdo. Okay. Look at the camera's all, whoa. Jordan.